Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Gmail Compose window open in full screen. If you frequently write long emails or prefer a distraction-free writing space, expanding your Compose window to full screen can make drafting messages much easier and more comfortable. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. This will bring you to your inbox where you can access all your email features. Now look to the top left corner of your screen and click the Compose button. This will open a new message window, which typically appears as a small box in the bottom right corner of your screen. While this compact view is convenient for quick messages, it can feel cramped when you're writing longer emails. To expand this Compose window, look for the double arrow icon in the top right corner of the Compose box. Click on it and your Compose window will instantly expand to fill your entire screen. This gives you much more room to write and format your message without feeling confined. Here's where it gets even better. If you want Gmail to always open your Compose window in full screen by default, there's a simple setting you can adjust. Click on the three vertical dots at the bottom right corner of the Compose window. This is the More Options menu, and it contains several useful features for customizing your Compose experience. From this menu, select Default to Full Screen. Once you've done this, Gmail will remember your preference. Now, every time you click Compose, your new message window will automatically open in full screen mode without you having to manually expand it each time. If you ever need to exit full screen mode for a particular message, perhaps to quickly reference something in your inbox, simply click the double arrow icon again. This will restore the smaller Compose window at the bottom of your screen, allowing you to multitask within Gmail. And that's all there is to it. You now have complete control over how your Gmail Compose window displays, whether you prefer the focus of full screen or the flexibility of the compact view. Thanks for watching.